guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this paint by line Easter cutout. This is a paint by line, which means that all the lines you see here are etched into the cutout by our machines, so you don't have to worry about trying to freehand anything. You're basically just filling in each little section. And I'm going in first with the color cotton. Typically on my videos I always use Dixie Belle chalk paint, which can be purchased on our website buildacross.com, along with the cutouts and brushes that I'm using. I'm going in now with Dixie Belle blue, and thus far I've been using the number 12 flat, the largest brush in the pack, to base coat everything. And you guys, if you get outside the lines on any of these, don't worry about that, because it's going to get cleaned up at some point, whether it's by more paint, a second layer of paint, or a Sharpie brushstroke marker will get rid of a lot of mistakes. So don't overthink it. And here where the truck gets skinnier, I opted for like a smaller brush, probably like a number 4 round, just to get in those tighter areas. And then after this, I'm going to grab the color Florida Orange and paint the carrots that are in the back of the truck. Pretty much anytime I use orange, I'm either going to grab Florida Orange or terracotta. I grabbed Florida Orange this time just because it's a brighter orange, a little bit more festive for Easter. This is one of my colors that sometimes I'll have to go in and do a second coat with. I always like to tell you guys that, because most of the time my Dixie Belle paint is a 1-coat coverage, and sometimes I don't have to. It just depends on my application and how small the area is if I do go in and do a second coat. Following that, I'm going in with my very favorite green, that is limeade, and I'm painting the greenery area on my carrots, and I'm just going to do that with like a number 4 round as well, a smaller brush. Following that, I'm going to use the color Putty for my bunny's ears and soft pink for the inside of the ears. And Putty is one of my top 3 most used colors, so if you're wondering where to start with your Dixie Belle collection, I always recommend Putty, Savannah Mist, and Cotton, because those are my 3 most used colors. After that, I'll paint my tires black, and then I'm going to let everything dry. If you want to, you can go in with a heat gun and dry it. But now that everything's dry, I'm going in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and outlining everything. I also went in with a sponge brush and some chocolate brown paint, and I just distressed on my shiplap and around the edges. And then I'm going to go in with a number 4 round in the color Cotton and just highlight everything here and there to finish it off. And then that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.